This is our suitcase-style laser cleaning machine, featuring a compact and portable design. Its unique structure makes it incredibly convenient to carry and use. Next, let us introduce more details of our suitcase-style cleaning machine. Its appearance looks like a suitcase. Simply place it on the ground, open it up, and you'll find all its components neatly organized, including the power switch. The user-friendly display screen allows you to adjust various cleaning parameters with ease, supporting 16 languages. It's designed for global use, and you can save multiple process settings for efficient operation, a portable yet powerful solution for your cleaning needs. In addition, it features 9 versatile cleaning modes. Adapt seamlessly to metal surfaces of various shapes for efficient cleaning. Our advanced cleaning machine is designed to handle diverse cleaning tasks on all types of metal surfaces. From rust to tough paint, it delivers outstanding results. In this demonstration, it efficiently removed paint from a car frame, ensuring a spotless finish while maintaining the integrity of the material. It has another important feature that tackling heavy oil and grime on metal surfaces. It efficiently removes even the toughest contaminants, restoring the metal to a clean and polished state, leaving them clean and smooth. Our cleaning machine efficiently removes rust from metal surfaces using non-contact cleaning technology, ensuring that the base material remains undamaged while achieving a thorough and precise cleaning. Our cleaning machine can effectively remove red paint and other coatings without the need for chemical cleaning agents or consumables. It's eco-friendly, safe, and offers high cleaning efficiency, saving you time.